restoring your spark. Good morning, Libra. With Mars retrograding into Cancer, shifts in your career may dampen your motivation, urging you to prioritize your emotional well-being. If you catch yourself drifting or running on autopilot, take a moment to reassess and ground yourself, as Mercury and Neptune square can blur focus. The Aries moon and Jupiter align to remind you that the universe is on your side. Don't hesitate to ask for guidance or inspiration. As the quarter moon connects with Chiron tonight, embrace activities that rejuvenate your spirit, whether through romance or self-care. Today is about nurturing your balance and reigniting your drive. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to come back and see what they say tomorrow. Finding clarity in stillness. Good morning, Taurus. As Mars retrogrades into Cancer, the focus turns to your words and unspoken truths. Hidden emotions may rise, tempting you to react, but remember, thoughtful communication is your strength. With Mercury and Neptune clouding boundaries, it's wise to pause and reflect before responding. The Aries moon and Jupiter encourage quiet moments of solitude to clear your mind and regain balance. Tonight, under the quarter moon's transformative energy, Chiron invites you to heal and grow. Let this be a day of introspection, where you find strength in understanding yourself and evolving with grace. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to come back and see what they say tomorrow.